Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video details how to plan a flight route by using an imported KML into our GS RTK app. Flight planning is crucial for efficient and accurate drone surveys. This video will guide you through the process of planning a drone flight using the Phantom 4 RTK for topographic surveying, ensuring your data collection meets the highest standards. Let's get right into it. In the previous video, showed you how to import your KML file into the DJI GS RTK app. So we're continuing from there. After importing your KML file, you come to your Plan tab. After importing your KML file into your DJI 2 RTK app, come to your KML file tab. You hit on Start to begin the flight route processing stage. On the left hand side is a tab that is displaying the contents of the KML file tab. Now to edit this, you click on your edit button. It gives you a number of photogrammetry method that can be used. The purpose of this video, we'll be using R2D photogrammetry method. The operational parameter settings tab can be hidden by clicking on the arrow, or can be exposed by subsequently clicking on the same arrow. Here we have our flying height. The flying height is the altitude of the aircraft. The second tab is the speed tab. This is the flight speed during the operation of a drone. The preset flight speed cannot exceed the maximum speed displayed above the speed settings. The maximum speed is the flight speed at which the images meeting mapping requirements can be captured, and is calculated by the app according to the current settings. We have the relative altitude. This is the relative height between the takeoff point and the operation area. Now for our shooting mode, we select our timed shooting, and for our finishing, this is the aircraft action after the operation is completed. So we usually select the return to home out of the various options, which is the hover, the landing, and return to first home. But it is ideal to select your return to home option. Now, what the altitude optimization does is, when you are done capturing your drone image data, the altitude optimization flies from the end of the drone data capture to the middle. Whilst returning back to home, it takes a series of tilt photos during the ending phase of the flight in order to be able to optimize the altitude accuracy. This is imperative when you are capturing a 3D data. So you can see here, once you turn it off, that flight path is turned off. And immediately you turn it on, it is displayed back. The relative height is the relative distance between the takeoff point and the operation area. The actual operation height is the actual aircraft height minus the relative height. Note, make sure to select the correct relative height to ensure the results contain appropriate overlap rate. We go on to our camera settings. We mostly leave all this on default and we save. And finally, go to our advanced settings. Here it gives us a display of a horizontal overlap and a vertical overlap. This usually informs the flying path or the flight route overlaps. So we set Normally, you set our horizontal overlapping rate 70 and our vertical 275. For an adjustment, you can see here that it affects our estimated flight time. If you don't want that, you can likewise set it to manual, where you can adjust this to your preferred distance. The higher the margins, the bigger your flight route. So we switch it back to automatic, and then you can see our flight plan has been updated. We save when done. After completing our flight planning, finally hit on save to assign our flight plan a name. Type the name and confirm. So we can toggle this view between our standard and our satellite mode. So guys, our flight plan has been successfully created using our imported KML. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more drone videos. See you in the next video. Happy mapping.